Good morning, my friends. It is May 30th. It is 6:21 a.m. and it's 60 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Let me give you a full garden tour. It's going to be a long one, so strap in. Let's go. Starting over here, I've got some onions that overwintered over here and over here. In these pots, I've got some strawberry roots in there that have not yet turned green, but that's okay. The neighbor's dog's barking, excuse them. I've got tons of sugar snap peas growing with potatoes in the middle and onions here too. I've got carrots growing in here, but I'm also going to grow some sort of melon. I haven't decided yet, maybe cantaloupe. We'll see. Some of my blueberry bushes did not come back, but 1, 2, 3 blueberry bushes did. And I bought a Gala apple tree. Gala apple trees are self-pollinating. I just got it. I'm going to be planting it in the ground over here very soon. I have 3 mammoth, like ginormous sunflowers in this raised bed. And look, 1, I think there's maybe the one there. 2, we have at least 2. We have 2 of the 3 popping up, which is exciting. These are all bell peppers. Oh my goodness, that's so exciting. This is my first bell pepper little flower. Okay, cool. Got a ton of strawberry plants in this raised bed. And I have a yellow cherry tomato plant. No, actually, I think that one was a different kind of tomato plant, but most of mine are yellow cherry tomato, and I've got some others as well mixed in the mix. Okay, so I've got strawberry plants, marigolds, and tomato plant. So again, this is the beginning of the season, and I've had a rabbit munching on them, so I put a bunch of like carrot seeds and other kind of seeds in here, so we're gonna have stuff growing. We had a bunch of sugar snap peas here that a rabbit came over and munched and practically killed them. He was like, hey, I'm welcome, right? So I've got a couple of tomato plants, some marigolds, and I think I put basil and carrot seeds in there. So yeah. Strawberries and tomatoes and marigolds. Looking good. Strawberries. There's some carrot seedlings that I started. And so strawberries, tomatoes, carrots, a little bit of marigold. So strawberries, tomatoes. We've got some carrot seedlings popping up, which is super exciting. Some marigolds. And then this is oregano. This is the 3rd year with this oregano plant. And so yeah, got some tomato plants doing well. Oh no, this tomato plant is a goner, so we'll have to plant another tomato plant there. We got one there, so yeah. I have some watermelon seedlings that just sprouted. I've got my brand new blueberry bushes. Look at that, I got flowers on it, so exciting. Some blueberry bushes with some flowers on them. Oh, I love that. This right here is a mix of just a bunch of wildflowers. This is a banana tree my dad gave me. It's not loving our weather here. We've got some cantaloupe here popping up, some carrots popping up here, marigolds. This is a Gerber daisy, and this is my little, let's deadhead this so it can grow more flowers. This is my little fairy garden. This is a hosta plant. This is called an azalea right there. This is I got this for my birthday from the homeschool co-op mamas. This is a swan pink columbine acacia. I'm sorry about my pronunciation. What did I put in here? Oh, yeah. Zinnias from one of the homeschool co-op moms for my birthday. Oh my goodness, look at these strawberries. This is super exciting. That's from Deborah's pot. I'm gonna have to tell her about that. These are my kids' look, they're growing oh my goodness. Caleb grew a strawberry. Esther grew a strawberry. Oh my goodness. Josh, he grew some red strawberries. Oh, they're gonna be excited. These are my kids' little fairy gardens. They each have their own, and it's quite exciting. Little fairies in there, little gnomes, so cute. Over here, I just planted some corn over here. So I've got 1, 2 little corn seedlings popping up. I'm gonna have a ton more. This is zucchini, marigolds, and radishes in here. As you can see, I'm going to be able to grow more in here because I am trellising them with the tomato cages. Over here, so exciting, we have zinnias, wildflowers, and a crazy mix of whatever flowers. These are just a bunch of flower seeds in here. We're just gonna have a crazy amount of flowers in here, hopefully. This is my kids' playhouse. I recently just painted these 2 mats. Oh, I forgot to show you over here. Oh, yay! These had browned and now they're flowering again. That's so exciting. This is a mix of a bunch of little flowers that a friend gave me for my birthday. Ooh, my mint is not doing well. That's okay. This is lemon balm. This is petunias. Aren't those so pretty? You know what? If this size, I might get more petunias. So moving on past here, we have our second year of thornless blackberries, and they are flowering. So we're gonna have some blackberries, guys. It's so exciting. Oh my goodness. Wow. So many blackberries. We're gonna have a bunch. Look at all these flowers. Yay, blackberries. We love it. Okay. Over here in these containers, we have lettuce. We have beans. We gotta remove some leaves. There we go. We have lettuce in the top. We've got wait. At the top I put basil, so we've got basil coming up a little bit. We might have to reseed a tiny bit or maybe just be more patient. Got some sticks. Sorry, we've had some crazy winds, so that's why I have these anchored so that the containers didn't fall over, but they got some leaves and sticks to them. That's okay. We've got some beans in the bottom, some lettuce beginning to grow, and some beans right there, and some basil in the top. May have to reseed here. This area is under construction. I just painted that, and we have a broken baby gate that I'm going to turn into a trellis. And we recently lost a bunch of branches, and I saved the leaves from it to compost and put, when they turn brown, you can see they're starting to turn brown. When they're all the way brown, I'm going to use them in the bottom of these pots and grow more things in it. Look at my pretty decorations from Dollar Tree. Over here, I'm really excited that my gladiolus bulbs are growing. My great-grandmother grew gladiolus in her garden. I love that these come back every year, and I think the hummingbirds will love it. Okay, over here, I just seeded, so they haven't popped up yet. I put, we'll see what comes up, right? I put a bunch of flower seeds, just a bunch of random mixes of flower seeds that work well in the shade. I'm gonna move this a little bit. I just got this trellis for free on the side of the road. Love it. And I'm gonna paint it, make it pretty. I also painted these cinder blocks. So I put the flowers in here. I put pumpkins. I've never grown pumpkins before. They vine out like crazy, so they're gonna come over here, right? The pumpkins, and then what else did I put in there? I put something else in there. So we're just gonna find out what pops up. We had to get together with some friends. All right, over here I've got my Dollar Tree containers, and we're starting to have our little seedlings start to pop up. We've got some bean plants popping up. Oh my goodness, that's super exciting. Wow. Okay, so we're just waiting for our basil, our dill. What is happening here? One of my children is crazy. Okay, they stuck scissors in there. That's so funny. Okay, so I've got beans, dill, cilantro, basil, lettuce, and we'll just see what pops up. And anything that doesn't pop up, we'll reseed it. Over here, I have carrots that overwintered, and I planted some sunflower seeds in here, and if they don't pop up, I'll just reseed them. Over here, I planted watermelon. And here, we lost a bunch of branches, and we made some firewood in case for winter, you know? Good to have around. Okay, excuse my mess. I'm gonna have a raised bed over here. This is my next project. Thank you so much for watching my gardening tour. We're at just the beginning of our gardening season, so make sure you like and subscribe so you can watch my garden grow. Have a great day. Bye. I see a little rabbit. Do you see a rabbit in the garden? Hi, Bunny. Hi, Bunny Rabbit. You can eat all the grass you want. Just keep away from my garden plants. Welcome. Oh, you're having some grass. Eat that grass. It's delicious. We grew it just for you. You look smaller than the other rabbit we saw. Are you a baby? Are you growing? Oh my goodness. Good practice to eat all the grass and stay out of the garden. Good idea.